Canoe hardware. For use with foam block kayak carrier. 2 14-in foam blocks with non-skid laminate. Seattle Sports. Replacement blocks for your Deluxe Kayak Kit. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my needs. I built a kayak trailer with flat decks along each side for hauling kayaks. It works great for plastic kayaks, but my fiberglass surf ski has enough rocker built into the hull that it needed some support at one or both ends. For short trips to the bay, one pad works great. Longer distance transport is best performed with a pad under each end of the ski to cradle it more gently. Whether I need a short or long transport, the pads work great and have just enough flex to compress them under straps and ensure they can't pop loose when bumpy roadways are encountered.